Now let's learn how to form smallest and the greatest numbers from the given digits. Now to get the smallest number, we arrange the given digits in ascending order. That means in increasing order from small to big. Keeping in mind that we never write 0 in the extreme left position because it has no value there. And to form the greatest number, we arrange the given digits in descending order or decreasing order. That means from big to small. Now let's take few examples. For example, I have 3 digits 6, 9 and 2. And using these digits, I have to form the smallest 3-digit number. So as I've told you earlier, to form the smallest 3-digit number, we arrange the given digits in increasing order or in ascending order. That means from small to big. So here the increasing order is 2, 6 and 9 because 2 is the smallest number and 9 is the greatest one. So now the number becomes 269. That means 269. Now to form the greatest 3-digit number, we arrange these given numbers in decreasing or descending order from big to small. So here the greatest 3-digit number will be, because 9 is the greatest digit, then comes 6 and then 2. So the greatest 3-digit number is 962 and the smallest 3-digit number is 269, and it's clear that in case of smallest 3-digit number, the digits are arranged in increasing order, and in case of greatest 3-digit number, the given digits are arranged in descending or decreasing order. Now let's take one more example. Say we have digits 3, 0 and 7. So to form the smallest 3-digit number, we arrange the digits in increasing order. So 0 being the smallest, then comes 3 and then 7. So the smallest 3-digit number becomes 037. But as I've told you earlier that 0 in the extreme left position has no value. So now we get 2-digit number. But we want 3-digit number. So what we do is we just change the position of 3 and 0. So in this case, smallest 3-digit number becomes 307. We have just interchanged the position of 3 and 0. If 0 is there, it will come in the second position. Now, to form the greatest 3-digit number, we are going to arrange the given digits in descending order. That means from big to small, 7, then 3 and finally 0. So, here the greatest 3-digit number becomes 730. Here we are not going to change the position of 0 because 0 is in the extreme right position and there it has value. So smallest 3-digit number is 307 and the greatest 3-digit number is 730. I hope that the concept is very clear to you.